Hello, I'm David. I'm the product manager of the SMEMA Hermes adapter. Today I'm going to show you how to split out your existing barcodes into Hermes standard properties. In this, I'm going to use Multiplug 82, Hermes extension 29, and the Transform extension 10. So the use case is when you've got existing barcode formats that you can't change, but quite often they are encoded to represent data found in the Hermes standard. For example, whether the board is flipped or whether it is a top or bottom barcode. So the example I'm going to use in this tutorial is this value here. So we've got the code, batch, type and side. First 6 numbers are the code. The next 3 numbers are the batch. Then we've got 5 characters being the type, and then we've got 2 characters at the end being the side. So we expect 4 matches using a regular expression. So this is what I'm going to use today. I'm going to use a regular expression in the transformation extension. So if we install the transformation extension, you can do that by the NuGet gallery if you're connected to the internet. Or you can download the file directly from the internet and then sideload it onto the adapter in the normal way. Once we've installed it, we can go to the transformation extension, we can go to regular expressions, and then we can add one. So let's go to the regular expression that we prepared. Of course, your regular expression will be slightly different depending on your format. So if we put that and save it, we can test it by adding the string and run it, and we can see we get 4 matches in, and it's broken down into the different sections. So we expect it to be code, batch, type, side. Code, batch, type, side, and then when you want to subscribe to the barcode reader which we connected to the serial port, if it's a USB barcode reader, it will probably display as a serial port also. Deploy that into the system. And if we go to the Hermes extension, scan station, data sources, if we've already got a subscription to the serial port, we need to remove it at this point. And then we need to subscribe to that new transformation event. Expression. And we need to select the subjects in the same sequence as we expect them. So code, batch, type, side. 0, 1, 2, 3. Apply. Deploy that. Now we can go inside, and that's connected. We can go inside the retrieval strategy, event subjects. So the first will be the code, which will be 0. We're also going to set both barcodes to 0. Next is the batch. Then the type, product type. And finally, if it's flipped. The flip value, it won't be 1 on 2, it will be, if it's flipped, it would be -B and -T. And I'm also going to apply this top or bottom barcode set on flip board value. So when the board is flipped, the bottom barcode will be set. If it's not flipped, the top barcode would be set. So if we apply that, and now if we go over to the operator user interface, go to scan barcodes, delete them. Now if we put in the example that we had before. See it's come through. Top side up. It's applied it to the top barcode. Product ID ABCDE. Batch ID is 012. Now if we do the same but with a bottom, we should see bottom side up. It's applied to the bottom barcode. Product type ID ABCD, exactly the same. So other things to consider is no scans. So the barcode reader might display some text to say no scan. You might want to set up another regular expression to look for that no scan value and only pass it through when it is a no scan. And then create another data source with that no scan regular expression. You can then set a validation property to say index value equals no scan, and then that will be a failed barcode, and you can delete the record, or you can flag up to the user that no scan has occurred. If you have problems setting up the actual regular expression, feel free to contact us. We can support you with that. And I hope that helps you split out your barcodes. If you have been, thanks for watching.